Hey, hey, everybody. Welcome back to another Coming Adventure. This is Dog Life Update with yours truly, Nathan Kelly. Well, while I'm ahead, you can I see what we got for bills in the stack and everything? I was kind of hoping we would get 2 loads of hay out of the hay fields this year. But with it being so dry and everything, that didn't even work out. If we have a good winter and everything, kind of hope we could do better for next year. And then my dad this year didn't even get the international cutting. He used one tractor, Big John, to cutting hay to get we had the air conditioner fixed in it and everything. But what I would like to do is if we get a good winter, I would like to cut this grass hayfield behind the shed and everything. And that will give you a better view once I get the gate open and everything. So I'm gonna put the camera down for a second. And I'm gonna open up the gate, and then I will do a little bit better explaining on what I would like to see for next year. Yeah, and then we had one steering wheel that we had friction, and we already get them sold for me. So we don't have no ones stealing anymore. Now, it's my cows down here kinda relaxing in the shade and everything, trying to get out of the heat and everything. But what to like this field here, if we can, I would like to get different cut and try to get something hay out of it, because I think we could get some good hay bales, and then like the one across the ditch, I would like to do the same thing. And a new bull that we got from Kansas City, he seems to be adjusting just fine with a cowhide and everything. And then with this fresh field here, I would like to see us cut this one and see if we could get any good hay bales after this one. Great hills where a hay fields look like after they've been harvested with all the hay off of it. So I'm hoping with next year we could get like a really chicken rain, chicken snow after these pretty cute for this winter. Because if we could get tickets now and everything, I think we could have a lot better hate crop and everything. But I'm hoping we don't get too dry next year, because if we get dry, I don't know what's gonna happen. So that's why I'm kinda hoping we get some good snow and everything for this winter and everything. But it's gonna be kinda interesting to see what we really get for next year and everything. So that's the kind of a little update, guys. What's been going on. Thank you for the comments. Some of you guys been leaving. Thank you for giving me the views. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!